Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make carrot mango pickle, updated. Prepare clean jars, peel and julienne carrots and mangoes, and measure spices precisely before you start. Heat oil gently, temper mustard seeds and fenugreek, then add turmeric and asafoetida for aroma. Combine vegetables with salt, red chili, and vinegar or lemon juice to preserve. Pack tightly into jars, label, and store in a cool place to mature flavors. Rinse and sterilize jars and lids with hot water and sunlight drying, then set aside. Peel and cut carrots and mangoes into uniform matchsticks so they pickle evenly and retain crispness. Toast and grind coriander and fennel for a fresh spice mix. Heat oil until shimmering, then temper mustard, fenugreek, and curry leaves to bloom flavors. Combine everything, taste for salt, and adjust acidity before packing into jars. Quick recommendation: if you want less kitchen cleanup while making pickles, please subscribe and like this channel if you find the video helpful. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum tackles crumbs and spills, listens to voice commands, and cleans autonomously so you spend more time cooking and less time sweeping. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy a cleaner kitchen with smarter help. Now let's get back to the video. Allow the pickle to rest for at least 48 hours so the spices and acids marry and soften textures. When serving, use a clean, dry spoon to avoid introducing moisture that causes spoilage. Store unopened jars in a cool, dark pantry. Refrigerate after opening and use within 6 weeks for peak flavor. Taste periodically and discard if off aromas or mold appear to stay safe while enjoying your homemade preserve. Share with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.